Welcome to House Tutorial. Today we're tackling a super common problem that a lot of people face when using unpaid Adobe programs. And guess what? The solution is actually pretty simple. Just block the program from accessing the internet. Stick with me until the end of this video, and you'll never have to deal with this issue again. All right, let's get started. First, go to your control panel. Then head over to System and Security arrow Windows Defender Firewall arrow Advanced Settings. This will open a new window. Now, just follow these steps carefully. Click on Inbound Rules, right-click anywhere in the list and choose New Rule. Go through the steps exactly as shown. Done? Great. This blocks all incoming internet connections for the program. But we're not finished yet. We also need to block the outgoing internet connections. Go to Outbound Rules and repeat the exact same steps without changing anything. When you're done, close all the windows, restart your program, and congratulations, problem solved. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are facing the same issue. See you next time, and happy editing!